Good morning, y'all. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, morning. Good morning. Huh. Cece, good morning, isn't it? Good morning. Mwah. Drool box. Good morning, y'all. We are going to make some breakfast. I'm going to make some oatmeal. I have some cheese. I might have some yogurt that we're going to eat. It is Sunday today, so we're going to, I don't know what we're going to do today, but we'll see. But I just want to say good morning. Sleeping again. Just wasn't quite ready to be up. Alrighty, y'all. So, Josh is outside mowing. Let's see, I don't know if I can see him from here. Yeah, actually you can. Hold on. See? Just barely saw him. He's out there mowing. So I'm going to, Amara's still sleeping. She's sleepyhead today, I guess. But I'm going to get dressed and try and do the dishes. So it's not too many to do, so it shouldn't take me too long, but they've got to get done. But I got to find my clothes. That's another thing I gotta get done. I gotta get all these freaking clothes folded. There's so much laundry. There's always so much to do. Being a mom is hard. There's a lot of things to do. Somebody woke up and is mad. So I guess these are gonna have to wait. I'm at least gonna rinse these very quick. So she got this cute outfit for my mom, which obviously I know it's a boy outfit. I was gonna have her wear it today, but it looks like it's like really big still. But it is a boy outfit, so we have to spruce it up and make it look like a girl. Huh. But I think we need a new outfit. Don't you think? So she's a little mad, as you can see. So I think I'm just going to, I'm not going to have her wear it because it's just a little too big. So I'm going to change her. I'm going to go get a different outfit to put on her. So I went ahead and changed her into this one. Yeah, she's mad though. Alright, so I don't know quite how good this looks together, but I think it looks cute. I don't know what y'all think, but I think it looks cute. So this is what she's wearing, but she's super pissed off. Being outside for a little bit. Huh. Yeah. So, we're sitting here. I just finished feeding Amara. And she starts to fart and poop, you know. And I feel it just come up the back. And yeah, it's... Let's see. Yeah. So, she's not quite done yet. So we're gonna wait just a couple more minutes until she's all the way done. But this outfit is done with. And she looks so cute in it, so it makes me so sad because she looks so cute. You look so cute. No, she can't wear it. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. Yep, major blowout today. Went straight up her back. And she's hanging out with her daddy. He picked out her outfit. She's got a little kitty outfit now. Oh, it's got a little cat on it, huh? And she's just hanging out with daddy. Aren't ya? And the kitties are just relaxing. Let's see. Sissy's over here relaxing. And I'm gonna work on the dishes a little bit since she's hanging out with Josh. See, look, this is her little cat outfit. How cute. Don't be so mad. Don't be so mad. No. Ooh. Yeah. Hi. Can you tell them all about it? Say I had a poop explosion, so I had to change my outfit. And I just had another poop explosion, but it didn't go out of the diaper. Diaper contained that one, huh? Check it out. I've got her face in the front this time. Oops, her arm's still stuck in there. Just put it on. There, is that better? I'm going to turn the camera around. Show you. Look, I should turn her the other way though, because she's starting to fall asleep. Sleeping away. You gonna just sleep away, huh? Yeah, I should turn her the other way. She is passed out. Look at her. Hey y'all. It's actually been a really long time since we've talked. We haven't really done much today. I did the dishes and Josh mowed the yard. And then we just kind of hung out. Oh, we cleaned the cat bathroom. That's pretty much it. We really just hung out for the day. Didn't do a whole lot. He's at work. It's actually already 8:55. Like I said, we haven't vlogged in a long time. I don't know. I just hadn't had a reason to, really. I don't know. We've just been being lazy. Amara was being lazy today. But she's always sleepy during the day, and then, like, now she'll probably be up for a while. Sometimes she's up most of the time she's up at night for a while instead of during the day, so that's alright. We got nights and days mixed up, but it's alright. We're party animals. But anyways, I'm going to eat. I got some tuna over there that I'm going to eat. I'm going to get her. I was holding her, but I had to lay her down for a minute to do that and go pee and stuff, and now she wants me to pick her back up, so I'm going to enjoy these mommy snuggles for as long as I can. I'm trying to edit a video, and it's doing the same thing again. I'm going to insert a picture right after this clip and show you guys what it's doing. Granted, you're not going to see this for a few days because I'm having issues with my stupid editing. Ugh! It's making me mad. Like, if you can't tell. Look at how passed out she is. So she just finished eating. It's 9:52. She was up for a couple hours. But hold on just a second. The only reason I even laid her down was because I needed to go to the bathroom. So I laid her down for a minute, and she passed out. I was like, okay, well, I guess you're tired then. So I don't know why she's so sleepy. Don't know. Another explosive poop. How is this possible? 2 in one day. Eating some dinner. Alright, so I'm going to go take a shower. Josh is going to feed Amara, and then we're going to go to bed. I've been trying to get videos done, but every time I do try to do it, it says the file's incomplete and stuff, or it doesn't save, and so it's just being a pain in my butt. But I uninstalled it and reinstalled it and stuff, and then trying it again, so we'll see. Hopefully, I can get back on track soon. Hopefully. But I do apologize, guys. Even though you're not going to see this for a couple days because I'm so far behind. Anyways, though. But I'm going to get in the shower and go to bed. So, we hope y'all enjoyed today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, make sure to turn on your post notifications so you know when we post our videos. And drop some comments down below. And check out our social media accounts. And we'll talk to y'all tomorrow for our next daily vlog. Good night, y'all. Say good night, y'all. Oh, don't be mad. She's ready for her baba, Daddy. She's ready to have her baba.